How to change Shopify domain name. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now, this is a full guide on how to actually do this. And by the way, if this video helped you out, then please do let me know in the comments. Now, by the way, if you would like to have your first 3 months for only $1, then you can actually click in the link in the description. This will bring you over to this page right over here. It says start for free, then enjoy $1 per month for the first 3 months. So if you would like that, then make sure to click the link. But basically, if you want to change your domain name, you want to go to the settings. Now, right over here, you want to scroll a bit down until you see domains right over there, as you can see. Click on it, and then here you have the domain. Now, you can only change this once, and I've already done that, as you can see. But basically, there should be a blue change domain button or update domain, and then you can actually create a new domain. Now, do keep in mind, if you have the trial version or you have not paid for a domain, then it will always end with .myshopify.com. Now, if you don't like that, then you can actually buy a new domain right over here as well, or connect an existing domain. If you want to find good domain names, then I'll leave a link in the description to this website right over here, web.com. Now, this has lots of domains that you can even end with .com, .net, .org, co, store, info. There's lots of stuff explained here, how it actually works. And then there's also some AI domain generator, which is actually pretty cool that I haven't tested yet. But you can find the link in the description, and you can buy a domain from this website if you would like to. And then once you have one, you can actually click on connect existing domain, find it right here, click on next and add it. Then once it is here, it might not be your primary domain yet. So let's say this would be that domain that I have just added. Click on there, click on change domain type, and then here you can set it to primary domain. Now then this domain will be my primary new domain. I hope this video helped you out. Please do let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.